Good morning, student. In math 8th class, we are going to study linear equation, chapter 16. That is given simple equation or linear equation of one variable. What is a linear equation? See that an equation in form of ax plus b is equal to 0, where a not is equal to 0, known as linear equation of variable x, where a and b belong to real number. This is the definition of the linear equation. See that if a will be 0, suppose this equation, if ax plus b is equal to 0, if a value will be 0, then whole term value will be 0. So it is not linear. Next question, why it is a linear? Because variable power, as example we giving 3x plus 8 is equal to 12. So see that variable power is 1. This is a linear equation of one variable, whereas 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is also linear equation of two variables, x and y. Maximum power of the variable is 1. Now 2x plus y minus z is equal to 5. This is the linear equation of three variables. If here write square, then it will be quadratic equation. Linear equation of variable 1, 2, 3. When you plot the graph of the linear equation, remember that it always comes straight line anywhere. Okay, always straight line. So this is the definition of the linear equation. Now I am going to explain how can you solve a linear equation. Two methods are there. Suppose m is equal to RC. If x plus a is equal to b, this implies that x is equal to b minus a. This term will remain here. When you are going to transpose the term, plus a convert into the minus a. Second, x minus a is equal to b. This implies that x is equal to b plus a. Minus in that side equal to plus. Third, if any number multiplied by, suppose ax is equal to b, here multiply side. When you transpose this side, it will divide b upon a. Suppose fourth one, division x divided by b, a is equal to b. When you are going to transpose that side, it means that x is equal to a into b. Multiply. Suppose one term I am writing here, 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2. We are going to solve. First rule is that transpose all the constant variable term one side and constant term other side. By this one, see that this in front of 2x plus, this side it will be minus 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 2. Here plus 4. This side it will be minus 2. Minus. Now 3x minus 2x, x is equal to minus 6. That will be answer. Okay. Now in your book, this rule you have to write on your geography. And one more thing, I have explained parallel line quadrilateral and construction of quadrilateral before the second term. In June class also I want to video already. So I will not send any video of construction and quadrilateral and parallel. I will send from the circle. Construction I have explained before the second term exam. And you have to make on your copy. Maybe very soon open, I will check your copy. 16.1 exercise. Question is given. Statement given, you have to make the equation. See first question. The sum of a number x and 15 is 29. Okay. The sum of number x and 15 is 29. Number already given. The sum of number x and 15 is equal to 29. Over. You have to make the solution. That you have seen 6 plus 7 plus. If statement given, you have to make the mathematically with the help of symbol. Question are given to solve 16.2. 16.2 question are given. 16.2. Okay. See. Near about question number 1. Question number 1. Fourth one. 1/4. X divided by 4 plus 4 is equal to 11. That is question. See this one plus that side will be minus. X by 4 11 minus 4. X by 4 is equal to here implied 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Now see that this term divided by 4, this side multiplied by 4. X is equal to 7 into 4, 28. This is your answer. This is your answer. Now, question number second, 7th and 8th. Question 2, 7. Given 3x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2. 3x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2. Plus minus that side plus. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. 4 to जाए तो 9 by 4. 3x is equal to 9 by 4. 3x multiply this side divide. Means x is equal to 9 divided by 3 into 4. 3 3 are 9. X value is 3 by 4. This method is called direct method. One more method, permissible method, but in 9th class you will see that method. Now, question number 8. 6 in bracket 3x minus 4. 8 1 6 3x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4 minus 2x minus 5 minus 4 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 30. Now see, first you multiply, open the bracket. 18x minus 6 4x 24 minus 4 to 8x minus into minus plus 5 4x 20 is equal to 30. Simplify the variable. 18x minus 8x 10x minus 24 plus 20 minus 4 is equal to 30. Now 10x is equal to, imply that 10x is equal to 30 plus 4. Then x is equal to 34 by 10 or 3.1 or 3 integral 4 by 10 or 3 integral 2 by 5. Okay, any answer. After that, question number third. In question number third question, 8.1 I have explained in the June classes. So that question I am going to solve. Third 8.1. Other question are like that way. Other question are given like that way. Third question, third 8.1 I am going to explain. Sixteen point two, same exercise. See, what is question given? 5 by 4, 5 by 8.1. Question third 8. 5 by 4, 3x minus 1. 5 by 4, 3x minus 1 minus 1 4x minus 1 4x minus 2 minus x by 3 bracket close, x is equal to x plus 7 by 3. You have to solve this question. See that where you are making mistake, I understood that. Where? That will be 15x minus 5 by 4 minus 1 multiplied by any number itself. Here 4 3 are 12x minus 2 minus into minus plus x by 3. This x plus this side minus x. What will remain is 7 by 3. Now LCM of this. 4 and 3 LCM 12. 4 divided by 12, 3 multiplied 15x minus 50 minus, see that 12x plus x, 13x, 3 divided by 12 divided by 3, answer is 4. Here 13x, 13 4 here 52x minus into minus plus 3 4 4 2 is 8 minus here 1 12x 7 by 3 3 4 is 7. Now simplify. What will come? Oh, 5 3 is 15x minus 1 5 again by 3 45. See 52x plus 45x minus 7x minus 7x minus 12x minus 19x minus 19x. Here minus 15 plus 8 minus 7 and this multiplied by 4 28 minus 19x is equal to minus this side plus 35. Then x is equal to 35 by minus 90. You have to solve like that. Okay? So this is the third A question, and question number 4 given an example. You also solve the example of this. Now see exercise 16.3, only 2 questions are given, and the question you can solve easily. First question given, exercise 16.3. Statement given, you have to write in the term of variable and constant and use only. First question given, 9 added to 3 thrice a whole number give 54. Let number be x. According to question, 9 is added to thrice of a number, result is 54. 3x 54 minus 9, 3x 45, x is equal to 50. The number will be 50. 9 is added to thrice a number, result is 54. Now last question. If 9 is subtracted from 5 times of a number, the result is 71. When 9 is subtracted to 9 is let number be x. 9 is subtracted to 5 times of a number, result is 71. Result is 71. Let number be x. According to question, 9 is subtracted from 5 times of a number, result is 71. Now 5x is equal to 71 plus 9, 5x 80, x is equal to 80 divided by 5, answer is 60. 5 1 5, 5 6 60. Answer is 16. So you have to solve the questions. Example, maximum example given after in this exercise, and story problem. After that, this parallel line may be reduced levels, but I have got, and parallel line I have got after parallel line, that is 18th chapter. Now 23 Pythagoras already came in exam. 23, yeah, special type of quadrilateral. In June class also I have explained construction of quadrilateral, chapter 24. All three exercises I have explained. Maybe few questions that is given in chapter test, I will explain in my video. I will start from chapter 25 circle in my next video, and you try to complete your copy. I am sorry that in few sections students are getting 15 mark, 13 mark in maths, because reason is that they have not made the copy, and if they have prepared so that they have to solve easily on the exam in PDF. They don't know 4% convert 0.04 into percentage. Few students have written 400. What you are doing? Some students give an answer like 4/100. This is the percentage form. This is a fraction form. If you multiply by 100, then answer 4%. This is your answer. I will not explain the question paper, but be careful when you are solving the question. And circle video I will send afterward. Thank you. Have a nice day.